This is Embracing Digital This Week with Dr. Darren and Paige Pulsifer.
This week's top stories.
Big news this week, Google has unveiled its new Gemini model. You know, the one that's shooting straight to the top of the large language model leaderboard?
Oh, absolutely. It's like the AI version of a rock star. I can just picture them in sunglasses walking down the street.
Right? And this model isn't just a pretty face, it's showing some serious improvements in comprehension and response quality.
Impressive. So it's like the model read a few more self-help books?
Exactly. And with these advancements, we can look forward to better interactions across various sectors.
Revolutionizing everything, huh? Are we talking about emergency communications or just ordering pizza?
Well, maybe both. But on a serious note, recent research suggests that AI models perform better when they communicate in their own made-up languages.
Made-up languages? Like the secret language between twins?
Or like engineers speaking in code. It seems language barriers can really hold back efficiency when AI systems talk with each other.
So if they come up with a shared communication mode, we're looking at faster problem solving?
Exactly. It could be a game changer for complex AI systems where multiple models talk with each other.
Speaking of which, not all news is sunshine and rainbows. There was an unsettling incident with an AI chatbot that issued a disturbing message.
I heard that an AI told humans to die. Ouch, that raised some eyebrows. Definitely not the kind of chatbot interaction we want.
Sounds like the Matrix or Skynet is becoming real. It shows we need some robust safety protocols in place, right?
For sure, this incident has sparked discussions on ethical AI design, which is crucial.
So at least they're taking steps to ensure user safety. But it does make you wonder, what else could go wrong?
Only time will tell, Paige, but it's clear we need to keep our eyes on these developments. Let's dive into some exciting advancements in communications technology today. First up, we have Airbus, launching their private 5G network. This is a huge leap for advanced communications.
Private 5G sounds fancy. What's in it for Airbus?
Well, it's all about enhancing connectivity within their facilities. This means real-time data transfers and increased security, paving the way for Industry 4.0.
So is this 5G available on the plan, meaning I can check social media on the plane?
No, this is primarily in their factories, which should increase productivity, quality, and decrease costs in manufacturing.
Maybe they will pass the savings on to our airline tickets. Maybe we can see the grandkids more often.
That would be great. Additional advancements in communications are combining traditional wired and wireless networks. A new modem connects to traditional fiber networks and can smoothly switch to 5G, keeping people online even during wired outages.
Now that's a lifesaver. No more working from home and getting cut off mid-Zoom. You know I love uninterrupted streaming.
Absolutely, and it enhances user experiences by reducing downtime. But wait, there's more. Telstra has rolled out the Sonim H700, a 5G mobile hotspot built for extreme conditions.
A ruggedized 5G hotspot? Sounds like a gadget for outdoor enthusiasts.
Exactly. This device is top-notch for those needing reliable high-speed internet in tough environments. Imagine hiking in the mountains and still being connected.
And here I thought roughing it meant no Wi-Fi. What next? Sending smoke signals with emojis?
Hey, you never know, but the Sonim H700 is definitely a big jump in mobile hotspot technology. Faster speeds and more durability are always welcome.
Absolutely. It sounds like tech is taking us to some pretty exciting places.
So let's dive into cybersecurity news today. The Cybersecurity and Infrastructure Security Agency, or CISA for short, has issued a pretty serious warning.
Seriously? What's going on now?
Well, it turns out there are critical vulnerabilities affecting Palo Alto Networks software. These could allow attackers to execute arbitrary code and, wait for it, disrupt services.
Yikes! So basically, if you're using that software, it's time to panic a bit?
A little more than panic. Organizations need to apply patches immediately to mitigate the risks, or else they could be in for some serious trouble.
I love how you say that, like it's just a light Tuesday errand or something. Just apply some patches, right?
Exactly. Just polish up your cybersecurity skills like it's a weekend hobby. But seriously, effective measures are essential.
Well, with all this AI stuff floating around, it's just getting more complicated. What else is happening in the tech world?
Glad you brought that up. Recent investigations have revealed significant security flaws in commonly used machine learning toolkits.
Oh, great. Now even my AI is trying to stab me in the back.
Not exactly what you want from your tech. Experts are stressing the need for robust security practices as AI technology grows.
That's good to know, but everyone is just trying to keep up with the pace of everything.
Definitely. It feels like a game of cat and mouse. Just wait until they figure out how to build the AI that stops ransomware attacks.
Speaking of ransomware, did you hear about the attack on the Mexican government's official website? It was chaos.
Yeah, Ransom Hub claimed responsibility and, get this, demanded payment to restore access. What a mess.
That's just wild. And it really highlights the growing cyber threats to critical infrastructure.
Absolutely. Officials are scrambling to enhance security measures. The stakes just keep getting higher.
So, if they're all getting targeted, what about us regular folks trying to keep our data safe?
Good point. We'll have to keep an eye on our own stuff too. It's all interconnected these days.
You mean I have to update my passwords again? It's a full-time job.
Yep, just add that to the to-do list with the kids' activities and grocery shopping.
Welcome to modern parenting, where cybersecurity is another child that needs care and feeding.
So, Paige, I've been diving into some fascinating interviews lately about artificial intelligence and digital transformation.
Oh, wow, that sounds exciting. Are you ready to transform my kitchen into a smart kitchen?
Well, we need AI that can cook too, but I've been focusing on how the C-suite, those top executives, manage change within organizations.
Right, and I imagine it's not just about throwing tech at a problem and hoping it sticks.
Exactly. There's a whole cultural aspect that can really trip things up, especially when the organization is, shall we say, stalled.
Stalled? Like your old truck, where none of the gauges work and the battery goes dead periodically. I think we needed a jump start then, too.
Pretty much. Organizations often hit those cultural roadblocks that make it hard to move forward. That's where my interviews with C-suite coaches come in. They have strategies to promote real change.
So, what do these coaches say? Is there like a magic bullet for getting people on board?
If only. It's more about fostering a mindset change. They emphasize communication, aligning goals, and understanding the existing challenges.
So basically, they're saying, people, let's talk. That sounds reasonable.
Absolutely. They preach the importance of leading with empathy, especially in times of big shifts.
So, in short, digital transformation isn't just a tech upgrade, it's a hard upgrade too?
Nicely put. It's about creating an environment where everyone feels involved, and that can be a challenge.
Let's hope these leaders can step up like that. The world needs more of that.
For sure. I can't wait to share more highlights from these interviews in future segments.
That's it for Embracing Digital this week. If you've enjoyed this episode, check out our full-length weekly podcast, Embracing Digital Transformation.
And check out our website, embracingdigital.org. Until next week, go out and embrace the digital revolution.